Okay, so we're starting to get closer to our finished product. What we're going to look at now is inserting the spaces for the chopsticks to actually go into. Now, I researched some chopstick sizes and got the measurements. I'm going to tell you those during the video. So pay attention to the sizes of the circles that we make in here so you know what you need to do for yours. First of all, you need to make sure that you have got open your file from last lesson. So file open your extruded version. You might want to save a separate copy so you've got a third version ready for evidencing inside your folder. Now you can see I've saved mine as video 3. Okay, make sure he's facing the correct way. And then I'm going to rotate him slightly so that you can see the side I'm going to put the first hole in. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a plane. So this is an area that we can then draw on and create a sketch. And I'm going to select this section here. You can see that it creates a big section with a yellow outline. That is the plane that you're going to draw on. Okay, so I've clicked on that and now I'm going to create a sketch on it. It will zoom in to the section you're going to draw on. As you can see, it only lets you do it on flat edges, which is why we've had to create this plane here. I'm going to draw a hole into a rounded area. Okay. So zoom in and move to the right place. This is the patch I'm going to draw on. And I'm going to use the circle tool. Now the circle size that you need is 6mm. Make sure it is away from the edges of your work. You don't want it to cut through to the outside, and then click on Finish Sketch. Okay, so we've got a circle on the rounded part, and this time we're going to extrude it, but instead of adding material, you're going to cut the material away onto the inside. So it will take out all of that. I'm going to have it going down a centimetre. So the chopstick will stick into the middle of it by a centimetre, 10mm in. Click OK, and you should be able to rotate it to be able to see it's taken out the material. So I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. So rotate it to where you need to get to. Again, we're doing a rounded surface that we're going to draw on, so we need to create a work plane and then start a 2D sketch on it. Draw our 6mm circle in the place we want to go to. Just move so I can see where I'm going. So 6mm circle in the middle, and then we're going to extrude. But we're cutting away the material by 10mm. Okay, so that is your 2 chopstick circles there. Now you can see they go into the inside of the product, and they might overlap slightly. You can see a bit of an overlap where the 2 go together on the inside. That doesn't matter. There we go. So make sure you save your design into your area and get your evidence on your worksheet.